Hi there, it's Marci Chavalas, and it's story time. Today's story is called Llama Llama Nighty Night, and it was written, the author is Anna Dewdney. So the author is the person who writes the stories. Let's turn the book over and get a clue about what we're going to be reading today. It's Llama Llama for little ones. Say nighty night with Llama Llama and get ready for bed and sweet dreams. This board book is just right for little hands and sure to bring big smiles. So we get to learn about Llama Llama's nighttime routine. Do you have a nighttime routine? What do you do when you get ready for bed? Let's see what Llama does. Maybe there's some things that you have in common with Llama. Let's read. Let's grow. Dinner's over, tummy fed. Llama Llama, time for bed. Time to brush and fill the tub. Time to splish and splash and scrub. Now, can you remember what does Llama do after he eats dinner? Let's go back and check. Oh, he brushes his teeth, puts water in the tub, and takes a bath. Which one of those things do you do after dinner? Wonder what you have in common with Llama. PJ's on, then potty time. Choose a book with silly rhymes. Ooh, doing so good with his routine. And look, at choose a good book. Do you like to listen to books at bedtime? I love to listen to books at bedtime. And I like to read books to my kids too. Snuggle in, turn out the light. Oh, bedtime kisses and snuggles are always great. Llama Llama Nighty Night. Good night, Llama. Oh, I am so thankful that you joined me for today's story, Llama Llama Nighty Night. If you would like to pass on the goodness so somebody else can hear this story who might not have access to this book, go ahead and click the like button right now. And if you'd like to be the first to know when my next story comes out, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Until next time, friends, goodbye.